नाउ व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू कि हम लोग एक पैर सीढ़ी पे रखते थे एंड पूरा एकदम इंटेंसली बजना चालू हो जाता था ऊपर, बिकॉज इट फेल्ट लाइक इट गॉट एक्साइटेड कि हाँ ऊपर आ रहा है. देन हम लोग फिर से वापस आते कि हम तो नहीं आ रहे भाई साहब, तुम नीचे आओ, हम क्यों ऊपर आए. अगर तुम्हारा ये घर है एंड यू आर द डोमिनेंट एंटिटी हियर, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग ना. डू नीचे, क्या कर लोगे आप, कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. सो वी स्टार्टेड ट्रिगरिंग एंड ऑल. Now, during all those things, we were seeing a lot of those shadows and जो कुछ भी, and because red light था, we also felt like seeing things ऐसा स्मोकी, ऐसा कुछ मूवमेंट्स हो रहे थे. मेरे कैमरामैन के पीछे 2-3 बार मैंने नोटिस करा. मैंने बोला भी कि यार बार बार कुछ तो तेरे पीछे से मूव कर रहा है. ऐसा गया 15-20 मिनट हो गया, आधा घंटा हो गया, 1 घंटा हो गया, अभी तक रेमपोर्ट बंद नहीं हुआ है. नाउ आई एम वरीड कि यार गैजेट खराब ना हो जाए, क्योंकि इंडिया में गैजेट मिलते नहीं है एंड इट्स अ वेरी कॉस्टली. आई एम लाइक यार ये गैजेट खराब हो गया तो प्रॉब्लम है. आई एम टेलिंग भाई साहब, गैजेट को कुछ भी किया तुमने, आई एम टेलिंग दिस टू द एंटिटी, बहुत बुरा होने वाला है. डू एनीथिंग बट नॉट विद द गैजेट. गैजेट को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड देन वी डिसाइड कि एक काम करते हैं, ऊपर जाते हैं. बट जस्ट बिफोर दैट, सो यू नो समथिंग वाज देयर आउट देयर, एक स्टिक जैसा कुछ तो पड़ा हुआ था. पूजा स्टेप्ड ऑन इट एंड बिकॉज वी वर इन द मोमेंट, पूजा शाउटेड कि समथिंग ग्रैब्ड हर लेग करके. एंड पूजा हैज दिस फियर ऑफ लिजर्ड्स. सो उसको लगा लिजर्ड चढ़ा करके, तो शी स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग. एंड देन ही टोल्ड हर कि डोंट वरी, इट्स अ स्टिक. बट एज शी इज स्टैंडिंग, शी अगेन फेल्ट कि कोई तो उसका पैंट को जकड़ा ऐसा करके. शी इज लाइक नो श्योर देयर इज अ लिजर्ड करके, बट वी लाइक देयर इज नथिंग. सो नाउ अगेन वी आर इनटू अ chaotic मोड. हम लोग काम डाउन हो गए थे ना. अगेन वी आर लाइक शाउटिंग एंड हाउलिंग एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं. And I said, you know what, again, it is now tapping into our fear, because Pooja fears lizards, so she is being fed, and Pooja has been doing this for 12-13 years now. ऐसा नहीं कि उसको lizard नहीं दिखा है, but she knows, she's a professional, she knows how to handle it. So all these signs that were happening, it kind of started emotionally affecting us, and we knew that there's something else we are dealing with. We went up now, we started using the spirit box, but not Estes. Spirit box हमने चालू किया. And spirit box चालू हो रहा है and the spirit box stops walking. Like हमारे सामने चल रहा था, now it starts zzz करके बंद हो गया वो. I'm like यार मना क्या था मैंने गैजेट के साथ कुछ मत कर, and you're doing with a gadget only. And then when I kind of do this thing, I'm telling you know what, if you do anything to the gadget, बहुत बुरा होने वाला है. I'm telling this in my mind, and suddenly एक voice आता है on the spirit box after this pause, you won't be able to. There's a voice. It's captured on the camera because I'm telling कि बहुत बुरा होगा, so it's telling me back.
In your mind.
I told in my mind कि बहुत बुरा होने वाला. So it's like I'm like telling it गुस्से से.
They can read your mind.
Yeah, telepathically they can understand your mind. And reply आता है you won't be able to. And then the gadget shuts again. No replies फिर उसके बाद. And then बीच बीच में मराठी voices भी आ रहे हैं, female voices भी आ रहे हैं. But generally what happens when we go to a place, we ask the entity कि do you need any help? Because ultimately they are also stuck. Sometimes they don't realize they are dead, so we have to kind of counsel them, make them understand. It's like a person जो अपने past में खोया है. So you go to a psychiatrist for therapy के जो आपको present में लाए कि भाई साहब ये है जिंदगी. So वो करना पड़ता है. Generally ask this, but this place we didn't feel like asking. We are like we want to help these entities, but how do we know that they are not manipulating us? Because we don't trust anything that's happening here. The entities out there can manipulate as female voices. Maybe they're manipulating us right now. Who knows? So हम नहीं पूछ सकते हैं. So we never asked for help in this entity. So ये पहली बार हमारा investigation था. We do these tours where we take people to haunted locations. ठीक है? वहाँ पे होता है, and we took people to those haunted locations. On the first trip, we had a
To the same place.
Same house. And tours are where everything is very in control. Like हमको पता है कि ये limit है तो ये limit cross नहीं करना है. So we had a sensitive, and this lady, she's a good friend as well. She's also a psychic. Now she entered, and I start seeing that she's seeing things ऐसा करके देख रही है वो हर जगह. And I ask क्या देख रही है तू? Like what's wrong? She said कि सब I'm not getting a lot of readings. मैंने कहा वहाँ तो बताओ ना. Oh yeah, that's why you are here. And she says, I can see a lady in this room. So she points this room, and this lady looks very happy. And she has this, she's a female, but she has this, manly built है थोड़ी सी वो, and she's She's like, she has been bought in because she was in some prostitution or something, but she has been like promised कि तेरे को हम अच्छी जिंदगी देंगे, तो उसको उठा के अभी ये घर पे लेके आया. So that's why she is very happy कि finally my past, that's my past now. I can see her ankles, those are very silver के हैं, new है काफी, and she's very happy in the house and roaming around. And I said, huh, then what? Then she's like, but the next vision I'm getting is very scary. I'm like, why? बोली कि वो जो मैंने ankle देखा था उसके पैर में, now what I'm seeing is I'm seeing the legs, but the body is not there. In a way, those legs have been chopped off. And it has happened in this room. And there are few clothes जो कि शायद अभी भी उसके ही हैं यहाँ पे. I said, okay. They're like, now I'm seeing ke just before that incident happened where probably she was chopped off or whatever, I can sense that she was very sad and she's crying because she was physically abused here. She was beaten here. And now I can see the legs. So she was killed also here. And she told that in front of the participants, they all freaked out. But I said, okay. So that kind of confirms Pooja's initial reading, which I haven't mentioned to you yet. जब हम पहली बार गए थे to investigate, Pooja saw a lady being dragged, उसके बालों को पकड़ के through the सीढ़ियाँ from ऊपर से नीचे. And Pooja saw, I can see कि उसका सर hit भी करता है in one of those stairs while she was being dragged down. This lady, the sensitive on the tour, she has no idea because हम बताते नहीं हैं क्या हुआ था क्या, ताकि वो लोग डरे नहीं इतना. She says, she just gives another element of the same story जो पूजा ने पकड़ा था. Cut to another tour where another sensitive comes in. This time he's a doctor. You know, he has attended a lot of our tours and he's a great sensitive. He's standing there. And हम ऊपर नहीं लेके जाते हैं लोगों को. We know ऊपर उसका stronghold है, तो लोगों को ऊपर नहीं लेके जाते हैं. This guy is standing there. A lot of people are sensing a lot of things. He closes his eyes and he starts swaying ऐसा. And when he does it, we know that he is connecting, but he has gone too deep into it. And we kind of stop him कि भाई नहीं करने का इतना. Because like I said, if you acknowledge more, वो उतना ही आपको जताएंगे कि आप हो वहाँ पे, वो हैं वहाँ पे करके. So this guy, I asked him, what are you sensing? He says, I'm a doctor. I deal with kids and patients and everything. What I'm getting vision right now. Again, we just told them कि ऊपर नहीं जाना है, कुछ और नहीं बताया जाता है. He says, I'm being shown visions of dead babies. And this entity is holding these babies. There are 2-3 babies more. And he's telling that if you don't come up, I'll kill all those babies. So he's calling me upar. I said, that's your sign not to go up.